It wasn't an insignificant compensation structure.
Do you mind sharing what
I
that
was
was,
very.
or around?
I'm
Or
sorry.
do you mind sharing what that was, or the range, or what it was?
Yeah. He was. I mean, he was willing to start me at $500,000 a year,
Mm-hmm.
and that was before bonus, and that was before any equity in things that he was going to be investing in.
Yeah.
That he said I could ride alongside him with.
Okay.
A significant opportunity in that respect. And, also sitting in the seat, you look at a lot of these people and you realize, like, look, you could get to a place where if you stay at a firm like this and you continue to build your business and you continue to, you'll eventually make a certain amount of money. But then you deal with all these clients who, I mean, they've made billions of dollars or hundreds of millions, tens of millions. You look at them and you're like, well, it's interesting. It's this dynamic. It's sort of like almost like being a glorified bank teller where, you're making your $35,000 a year sitting behind the bulletproof glass and somebody comes in with a $2 million cash deposit. And you're like, wait a minute, what do you do for a living?